Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku Bustle on September 13, 2022. Diagonal Sudoku. Second row we have 4, 1, 6 and 2. That 4 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in one of the 4 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. Column D we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Column H we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row and fifth row, 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade and 3rd grade we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. And 5th row and in this diagonal we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 3. Column C, column D we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. 9th row and 10th row we have 3. Column E also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column F we have 3. Third row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column F, column G we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 3rd grade and 5th grade we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 8th row, column C we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C we have 1. 4th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column D we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. In this diagonal we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade. 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 5. Column D we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row and 10th row we have 1. In this diagonal also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 1. Column J also we have 1. Column H also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column J, 9th row we have 5. First grid also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. In this diagonal 3 numbers are remaining 4, 7, 6. Column D we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then first grid, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column G and 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then in this diagonal, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then third grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The ninth grid, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 4. Column G, 6th row, we have 5 and 6. The two numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 8, 9. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 8. Column F, column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.